Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make really heavy balloon weights using sand. Let's get started straight away. For my sand weights I use 11-inch round balloons. I'm going to need a chopstick. Put one balloon on the end of your chopstick and just put the other balloon over the top. Depending on what sort of electric inflator you've got, your inflator may not be able to inflate double stuffed balloons straight away. So you may just want to inflate your balloon a little bit by hand first, or if all you've got is a hand pump, just carry on inflating. And I'm just going to let the air out. Then inflate your balloon a little bit more. I've used a funnel to just pour the sand inside. Take your 11-inch balloons, stretch out the neck by putting 2 fingers on either side and stretch the neck over the top of the bottle. Okay, so you want that to be on all the way around. Okay, hold on to the neck to keep it on the bottle. Tip the bottle upside down, and then what you want to do is let the sand fall through, but also squeeze the sand into the bottle. As much of it as you possibly can. So you can see it's actually inflating the balloon a little bit. Okay, keep hold of that. Keep hold of the neck, put a twist in that neck, remove the bottle, and then what we can do now is take hold of the inner neck and tie in a knot. Okay, and there you've got a really heavy sand weight. Okay, so let's just zero this. Okay, so we'll put our sand weight on the scales and it's coming in at 989 grams. So there's your completed sand weight, weighing almost a kilo. We weighed it at 990 grams. So is this useful to you? Are you going to be able to use this technique? Do leave me a comment. I'd love to know whether this is helpful to you. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more tips and tutorials videos, and I'll see you again in the next video.